In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted contacts from an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Safari, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially, just go to icloud.com and make sure that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Once you're on here, go ahead and scroll down on this page, and what you're looking for is this data recovery option right here. Select it, and then scroll down on this page even more till you see this option that says restore contacts. Now, if you've deleted any contacts recently, you'll see all of your available contact archives. Essentially, select whatever archive you want, confirm the restore, and your deleted contacts will automatically reappear here on your iPhone. Now, contacts can only be restored if they were deleted within the last 30 days, so keep that in mind. And also keep in mind that this is only going to work if your contacts were synced with iCloud. Restoring whatever contacts you do restore is going to replace your current contact list as well with the selected archive, so also keep that in mind. But that really is it. That's how you can retrieve deleted contacts from an iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.